every single thing that arrives, let us be unbossing them. This one is a bay barrier. We call it a bay barrier. So we have to open them. Hey, my mama do me well. This is a bay barrier. Now so, okay, we have unbossed one a bay barrier. So let's go there. I don't worry. I don't worry. Africa food goes sakala. Africa food goes sakara. That's what I punish me before. That's what I will give you food. You will never taught me to eat in your house. No problem. I went back to Africa. I got my food. Okay, this is bonga. Concussion rice will suffer this period. Okay. Okay. This is burger. This one again. This one is stock fish. Stock fish. Zaba zaba. Oh, see, that's what I tell you. Tie zaba zaba for Nigeria that time. That year. This one original zaba zaba. Wow. It's very, very long. You see, they don't remove all the bones. All these ones now, they're easy to use. Not the one person will see for abroad. It will come to head like Oziza. Okay. Then let me open all of them because I have to systemize them later. This one another a bay barrier fish. Let me put it here. Okay. Just wait for the unboxing. See the way they take package them. They package it very, very well. Not for the fish to scatter. Not for the fish. Since I started using this lady that posts things to me from Nigeria to abroad, food items, my fish is always intact. It is always intact. Everything comes well. Oh, gege. This is another fish. I don't know the name of this fish. I don't know the name. Okay, this is another fish. Oh wow. Oh wow. See as the fish fine. Everything fresh, finished. Look at everything come intact. Ah, shy.